Hello students. Today we will discuss some organic reaction which is occurred through the radical mechanism. So before discussing this, first we discuss the stability of the radical. The stability of the radical is follow the carbocation stability. In the carbocation, the tertiary radical or 3-degree radical is more stable than the secondary and primary one. So it just follow the carbocation, as the carbocation, the tertiary carbocation is stable. So basis on the radical stability, so first we discuss this, how this radical reaction is going on, how this radicals is generated. The radicals is generated by heat and light. In heat, if there is the bond of chlorine chlorine, if we give the heat, then chlorine radical is produced. Then chlorine radical is react with the cyclohexane to produce the chlorocyclohexane. In same as light, here the light V is denoted as H nu, and in case of heat we denote it as delta. So the source of the radical reaction, that is the to generate the radical, we may use either the heat or the light to initiate the free radical reaction. So there is the some steps in the radicals reaction. First is the initiation. Initiations means where and how the radical is generated. That I already discussed in my earlier slide, that we, if we produce either the heat or the sunlight, that is H nu, to produce the radical. So after this production of this radical, this is called the initiation, that is the starting initiation. After the radical is produced, it will react it with the some CH4 or some group to produce, and this reaction is going on. This is the chain type of reaction. This is the called the propagation, that is the reaction is going on. And the last stage that the all the radicals are combined with the another molecules to provide the final product. So this is the chain termination, that is the ended the reaction or terminated the chain reaction. So there is the three main steps for this radical reaction, that is initiation, propagation and termination. Next in the slide, we have given some example where we said that there is the two chance to produce the radical. That is, if we take the first one, that is there is the two chances to produce the radical. The first one, the produced radical is 2 degree, and then in the second case the produced radical is primary. So in the first slide I already discussed that the secondary radicals is more stable than the primary one. That's why the first reactions that's why the first reaction is become faster than that of the second one. In case of second example, that is, if the hydrogen is eliminated, it gives the CH3 radical, which is the primary one. And then second case, this give the 3-degree radical or tertiary radical. As we know, the tertiary radical is stable, that's why the last substrate is more stable than that of the first one. So this is the end of this reaction, that is there is the huge reaction that occur in this radical mechanism. So I give you some example for this. Thank you very much.